calling someone at work. Hello, this is James. May I speak to Miss Jade, please? Hello, si James ito. Pwede ko bang makausap si Binibining Jade? Hold the line a moment. I will check if she is in her office. Sandali lang. Titingnan ko kung siya ay nasa kanyang opisina. Thank you. Salamat. After a moment, yes, Miss Jade is in. I'll give her the line. Makaraan ng ilang sandali, oo, nandito si Binibining Jade. Ibibigay ko sa kanya ang linya. Hello, this is Jade. How can I help you? Hello, si Jade ito. Ano bang maitutulong ko? Hello, my name is James and I'm calling to inquire about the position I saw on your website. Hello, ako nga pala si James. Tumawag ako para magtanong tungkol sa posisyon na nakita ko sa inyong website. Yes, I am still hiring. You can come to my office by tomorrow if you want to apply. Oo, tumatanggap ako ng aplikante. Pwede kang pumunta bukas sa aking opisina kung gusto mong mag-apply. Alright, thank you so much. I am pleased to hear it from you. Sige po, maraming salamat. Nagagalak akong marinig iyon mula sa iyo. You're welcome. Tomorrow I have an important meeting, but don't worry, my secretary is here. Just submit your papers. Walang anuman, bukas may importante akong meeting pero huwag kang mag-alala, nandito naman ang aking sekretarya, ibigay mo na lang ang iyong papel. Okay, thanks for accommodating me today. Sige, salamat sa paglaan mo ng oras sa akin ngayon. You're welcome. I hope that you will get the job. Walang anuman, hangad ko na sana makuha mo ang trabaho. I hope so, ma'am. Thanks again. Sana nga, ma'am. Salamat ulit. Okay, thanks for calling. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Sige, salamat sa pagtawag. Magandang araw. Paalam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.